Ajay Dharaiya is a
Hi.
professional graphic designer and Canva coach. He comes with 5 plus years of professional working experience as a graphic designer with various national and international clients. If you need any kind of help in content designing, Ajay is the right person for you. He has a Canva content mastery course, social media templates bundle, and he coaches professionally designing on Canva platform. Reach out to him now. I will drop all the related details in the description below. A warm welcome to you, Ajay, on Journey Teachers.
Thank you. Thank you very much for inviting and approaching me to interview.
Thank you. It's my humble pleasure. So, first of all, the we can start with the live demo of Canva. You can share your screen and teach us the basics and
Yeah.
describe us the features of the Canva so that people could use them.
Okay. Just give me a seconds. I can share my screen and I will share like something secret for my designing secrets. So just wait. Okay.
Absolutely, absolutely.
This is my main account of the Canva. Like all of my work is here.
Yes,
See.
continue.
Yeah, that this is work I'm sharing with a lot of Facebook groups, Instagram content, and normally people are saying this content on social media. And people are just saying like this is not possible in Canva, but I'm saying everything is possible in Canva because if you have creativity, your own creativity, you can create a mind-blowing content and mind-blowing creativity. So I'm just sharing with few tips. This is amazing and seriously, this is very effective. So you can see this is my main client works here. So many people are just say I'm just sharing with interesting designs. So you can say this design. Yeah. So normally people say this is not a Canva design. See, but this is Canva design. People are just like, wow, this is a Photoshop or Corel design. But normally people are just use something best element and create something new graphic. So here is you can see like this is a totally elements are here. See, this is the logo. This is the effect. See, normally people say how we can do a shadow circle effect. See this effect. So here you can see a shadow effect in circle. So now here is the only two option. You can search a circle. For now, element, you can go element and type a search on circle. And if you need this type of blur effect, so you can go element and type here blur, blur. So you can find a lot of blurry effect. See, anyone, if you need that this one, you can change the color of the dark black. See, exact shadow, and now you can replace this on behind the circle. See, and this product, if you need to like how you can up like this photo is behind this shadow and circle, so you need to place here and click to position and forward. See, so all of the graphic secrets are not normal, but people are just saying like not possible in Canva, but everything is possible. So now this is a first way, like you can add a shadow effect in circle, square, everything. But like you need to follow the exact process. Like if you want like to add a circle shadow effect, you find the circle shadow and like this is a new for me. You can see I'm deleted this. I'm deleted this. Ah. Like this is something carousel effect. I can try to introduce this, like how you can design a cover page with exact my copy. See, I can go and choose a size of a square size of the Canva. But now normally people say like my design are blurry, my design are download, it's some blurry effect. But how you don't use these types of templates. Like you can find a photo like something different like carousel. Carousel. Yeah. Here, mostly people are using this method for designing any content. But normally people facing are too much problems. Like my designs are blurry, my designs are not good, not quality, losing quality. So here is the best solution. You need to create a custom site like this one. Here you can see the size of the this design, and now you need to find the exact keyword. See this and carousel and find a template carousel here and see the exact carousel templates are ready made to use for you. You can see, and if this design is don't miss any quality and any problem like mostly people are saying like how we can design a quality graphics on social media for this is the best option because normally people are don't say this yeah graphics are blurry I'm not posting a quality content but this is method you are not following this and properly Canva is not showing this because Canva is best for the students, entrepreneurs, and who are the starting social media for the businesses and customers. So, like this is the best for you. And once again, I can start. I can share with the best method to design a first cover page of your photo. See, first of all, you can use. I'm using like my favorite keywords like fonts. This is Anton. See, for example, I'm here typing the something title. See, so normally people are saying just like my graphics are not good, but you need to very specific speed and something different. Just like I'm using this person like one of my client. Just wait, I can figure out the photo of the PNG. Okay, now you can see the guy. This one, see. So how you can effect in this photo? So now you need to color code like what is your paint like your branded color, your brand kit color. You can choose here normally, and you change the fonts. Like fonts are something different. I'm taking my students and my course already. Ki normally you can design a first design. You can use only 2 to 3 fonts in your design like normally first font is a heading fonts and second font is your paragraph or subheading fonts. So now always and remember I'm telling this normally use if you are trying to like figure out attract more attention of the eye catching you can use Anton fonts. This is look very like boldness fonts. See like this is not a Anton but this is a bold font but like this is a something I'm just setting you see here in time Anton see the simple method now normally people say like how is this good but this is not look if you want to add your Instagram handles your save to and call to action button and your website so just you can need to add a paragraph this is a like your cover page designing method like I'm using for my graphics and my work so I'm telling you first you design a content, you can use 2 to 3 fonts. So now I can use a second fonts. It's a normally open source. Here you can type your website, your username and your photos here. And this is the second name. You can design something like your profile icon. So how you can design? You can go a second photo. You can type a circle, select elements, circle photo, and normal people say how you can find a rounded circle like this type. So don't type any keywords. Just type L. You can find this one, and you can this adjust this. So like no, this is not in Canva like this is a rounded button end line. That is keyword. So like this is your signature. Back forward. So and I'm just adding a something of the photo of the picture. See, now you can create a group and select all of this. Select. Now you need to exact copy. Like here you can set, and now you want to this element exact copy in a next design. So now this is simple. You can control C and return your design and control V. You can see the like exact same to same exact place. Now we can design a title something different. So this is a simple. You can add a shadow. See, but normally people say this is a big shadow. Like see this. This is look awkward. But please use maximum to maximum 30 to 40% shadow effect. Now we can use something specific space. See, you can write this a 3D effect. We can shape here. See,
This is
so like
going
this is a
absolutely amazing.
no. Yeah, like this is a normally people say like how we can design a clear and neat and clean design. But this is something few method do you follow. And now we can use a different color of pieces. So you can copy this. Wait, delete. Type T only, and you can find add your text like your subheading text, like your call to action, and if you like, and change the fonts. Because normally I suggest that people are just use 1 to 2 fonts in main first cover page. See, okay. Something like new offer is a new secret. Like if you like this design, like this photo, and if you want this color, this colors, and this patterns, you need to add your design. So now simple click this design and choose the apply color to page and click here. You can see, yeah, and
Wonderful.
something, yeah, something to, and this one you can use apply your color page. See, exact change all over the change. See this one. So this is a new method in Canva. Like nobody else know about this new update. Fee like simple. Here you can design your cover page, your set, and see your carousel is must be professional and looks good. But depending on your content and your designing fields. And exact of the my method is the like this one, blue. Like this is my color code, obviously. See, rule number three, like how you can add a shadow in a tagline or a line. Like say this one. Here we can try to write a small text. See, for example, this is your headline. Just wait. Yeah. And if you want to add a shadow effect in this particular element, so now this is a simple method you can use. You can go on Google and type shadow effect. Sorry, line shadow, ENG. So, like many people are here is doing a lot of mistakes. Like just people say like this is a PNG. Yeah, but this is a actual PNG. But you need to download the exact from this website. But here I am sharing a shortcut website, like shortcut trick which I am using for. You can download your photo like your feed, and you can see the weight like this one. And you can say this like already white background, you can select this image and this white background is already removed. So now you can copy this image and come on this your like your design and control V, simple type. Design is automatically
Yeah,
already
that's
photos are
an
uploaded here.
yeah, that's an
Yeah.
amazing check. And will the image not be copyrighted?
No, 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 no. Because see, PNG graphics are not copyrighted because PNG graphics are normally used for all of the picture, all of the graphics and normalism. So you don't need a copyright strike. And just place this here. You can now add this. See, so this is a simple and effective method. You can use your graphics and all over the work. And here user, you can write. This is a table writing content. See, you can type T and open source fonts. See, you can add a shadow effect. Here is you can see, but normally do 10 to 12 shadow effect. This is a simple and effective. So here we can do a small tagline like arrow down. So here we can find these arrows. You can find arrow element. See, and like this is something not a element is a position right now. So you can select a space element. See, so this is something new. You can add now and see the group. See, if you see like this is a not alignment right now. So you can select and top and see, simple. So this is your last page यानी कि like your location, like your repeat, your task, your titles are you can place like this and see we can use exact copy. Here you can see color effect and you can go white color and you can see the change the all color, change place, and see yellow color and say black color.
How do you actually decide the color combination, like which will go in the circles, the arrows,
Yeah.
and the background?
Uh, Obviously, like this is tough for me, like as a starting on this works. But normally 3 to 4 years, I'm using like normally 50 to 60 plus clients, and with alag alag like different industries like gym, food, restaurant, real estate, and clothing show, fashion, jewelry. So, like when I design any content for my client, first I go on Google and I just find, for example, I have a restaurant client. So I can go, sorry, I can go here and type restaurant social media post idea. See, here you can see a lot of professional and experienced designing ideas. Now, if you like this design, see, here you can find out the yellow, orange, black color is a restaurant focusing on this platform that's this color. So I just go and use these colors in my design, but not an exact copy. Just like see this. Here is a two colors, orange and direct black. So this is a one of my client. Just wait. Okay, I can go home. Like fonts combination and the graphic combination, I'm just learning this is platform. Like I'm just not confusing like finding all of the website. I just go on Google and type the exact industry and social media post ideas, so I can figure out the color combination, fonts combination, the all of the ideas. And normally people are not doing this, and I'm just hardly recommended you can download a Pinterest, because Pinterest is a social media like huge traffic, like second traffic on like first traffic on YouTube, and second graphic work and united graphic work, like mostly people are on Pinterest. If you are finding graphic ideas, color combination ideas, you can go on Pinterest, because lot of ideas, and just do copy and paste. See this. This is a live client work. I'm just sharing you. See, exactly. This is design is a something like simple. See, here you can see this is a double define. See, this a first photo, but my mind say you can add a tagline like this is a liner effect. See, all of the difference. But normally focus on your content, like what is your ideas need to place different places. See, if this design I want to change something new color, so I can go here and just go see exact one design you can change a multiple variation. See, see, color change all, can go templates, and just I'm saying normally say mostly I'm using something limited elements in my all of the graphic work, because you don't need a lot of elements and lot of tools. You need a simple and quick design. See, write this. You can type a normally circle. See, I can change this. See, so design something like if as a second, you can create a minutes of the any variation, any design in 2 to 3 variation. And say this, I can change the one design in a two variation. And second design, say this. I just say here, I can place it and see. And this is a PNG graphic. You can see product.
How would you differentiate using Canva in a laptop and in mobile application?
I'm highly recommended to use a laptop or computer because you need a very specific element like this is a zoom effect and this is a swiper. So mobile phone is not capable to design a very good design. But yeah, you don't have mobile laptop, so you can just edit some templates and some effects. So I'm highly recommended to you can use a laptop or PC because this is very smoothly uses. See, and just one I'm sharing this. Like when you design any graphic on your design, your client design, you can use in title two fonts. Like this is a bold font. You can use highlight these words of the eye-catching words. Like normally people want to attract this, and use a second your tagline in different words because normally people are not seeing a tagline or your multiple paragraph words. They are focusing on your first words, like which words are focus and what selling. See, here you can say this is design, but this is all of the use are png graphics. See, this is the png. This is a shadow effect I download on Google directly. See,
Yes,
but
yes.
see, this is a background, and now I can change the background. Simple. See, and this is my own font, like my favorite font, like Monster. See, so how you feel this design? See,
Yeah.
so
How do you
like normally,
actually, how do you sync in the text, the color of the text and the background with each other? Like, how do you, yeah.
this is a I don't know when I starting any design, but my mind say already set up the all of the design process. Like
Oh,
here I am changing the photos and delete some background, but my mind say you can use this photo in a behind text and you can use this photo because already my mind already working this line to you can design a change. So I'm just first say you can access on the Google. You can lot of designing, lot of graphic designer. You can follow them because if you don't go any other account, you don't know any Google graphics, and you don't do any other works. But this is not possible. You need to do a practice on this graphic work, and I'm just saying what is your design is a not a computer skill. See, first, normally you can start a social media post or graphic designing career, but you don't need to a comparison with yourself to other, because your mindset and your creativity is different from me to other. The same question, like this design, I can send you the content and exact designing ideas, but final results are different because you are using your creativity, your ideas, and your like potential system on your minds. But I'm using exact content, exact ideas, like how I can place this, and people say, wow,
Absolutely. You know what
yeah.
I do when I started graphic designing, like as a beginner? I just selected random combinations of colors. Like I would like orange with pink or something red going with like weird combinations of colors, and the clients would say, "What is this? And you don't have any color sense."
I have simple like a pro tip for you. If you got any client, so you need to just figure out like this client is which industry. For example, you got online coach. So just go on Instagram, just go on Pinterest, and find out the coaches Instagram pages. Figure out the 10 pages of the best content like you like, not your client like. Because client is always need a different. But you don't give, like you don't need to give a different ideas, because you are not a free, you are a busy person, because graphic designers are not a free. Like every time he thinking, he designing, and he exploring new ideas. So you need to this two step, just go on industry, just go on ideas and see, and figure out the exact Google search. I'm using like 50 to 60% ideas on Google. I'm just saying right now, because Google say all of the randomly ideas, and you can search a industry wise color combination. See, I'm just say here, wait, coaches simple color combination. See, you can see these words: simple color for bedroom, simple color for houses, simple color for websites. So Google is automatically know about you, like which thing you are searching on this platform. So you need to this add a social media post and see 28 color combinations. If you like, your client is don't know about 28 combinations, but you don't know, but you know, and you can just copy and share. See this. Here you can see codes already. See, and thus, like one more method I can share, like find the color code from images. Like many times, like client give us a graphic, like but we don't have a color code. Like client, I don't say I don't have any color code. You can find and you can design. So this is website you can help. Upload your graphics. Sorry. See, this is a logo, and upload this graphic and see exact color code.
Yeah, this is the nice trick.
Exact color, RGB color, and you want to. But like this website is very like lazy, because load of ads and structure is here.
Yeah, yeah.
So you can try websites, but But like this is a small ideas for you. See, I can choose this here and see, I have a code, exact code. Because copy and go on your graphic and just type on colors.
That was a very amazing and very insightful demo. I really appreciate this.